Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the best code editors for programming. These will be the apps you can use to write, debug, compile, and run code on Windows, Linux, and macOS. These are text editors, so they each support a variety of programming and markup languages, and they are each highly customizable. We'll look at the features each one of them has to offer, and towards the end of the video, I'll show you the ultimate code editor. This thing supports any programming language under the sun and has one of the best collection of useful extensions out there. It is so packed with features to boost your productivity that is basically an IDE. Stick around. Before we get started, create a Twitter bot that will reply with a link to my channel to every post with the hashtag JavaScript, as this will give my channel some much needed exposure. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how many code editors on this list you are using and why. The first code editor is Notepad++. Notepad++ is one of the best code editors for web development. It comes with all the features you need to write code using markup languages like HTML and CSS and programming languages like JavaScript. It supports syntax highlighting for multiple programming languages including Java, C++, C, Python, etc. You need to download the Java development kit and the Java plugin in order to compile and run Java code using Notepad++. It has a variety of features designed to help you write clean and effective code. Auto-completion automatically completes your words and tags. Auto-indent will automatically indent your code, and the search options will allow you to search and replace items in your code. Distraction-free mode removes all the menu items and the taskbar. It has multiple themes. The dark theme will allow you to write code at night without burning your eyes. There are multiple plugins you can download to enhance your coding experience with Notepad++, but if you are doing web development on it, here are some extensions I recommend you download. Use the link in the description to check out Notepad++. The next entry on our list is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a popular code editor. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Although most people use it for web development, Sublime Text is perfect for most programming languages. It has a very beautiful user interface with multiple color schemes and themes to help you customize it to your liking. The syntax highlighting is awesome, and the autocomplete feature has been improved. It can now make code suggestions based on code that is written in your previous projects. There are keyboard shortcuts to help you write code faster and code snippets to eliminate repetitive code. Split view allows you to open and edit two files simultaneously and edit them without having to switch between them. This allows me to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code simultaneously. TypeScript now comes with Sublime Text by default, so you don't need to download any additional plugins in order to use it. It also has a distraction-free mode and allows you to create custom snippets and install plugins to improve your experience. Try Sublime Text and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Atom is a free open source code editor developed by Git Hub. It has some awesome features and a great community. It comes with syntax highlighting for most programming languages, GitHub integration, and built-in developer tools by default. You can install packages using its package manager to extend its functionality. It has a lot of customization options and a lot of themes. The bracket matcher will automatically close all your braces and tags, and the split display in this app is next level. You can split the display vertically and horizontally to open and edit 4 files simultaneously. Microsoft might discontinue support for Atom by the end of this year in favor of Visual Studio, so try the app for yourself while you still can. Vim. Vim is a popular open source code editor. It is super customizable and runs on multiple operating systems like Linux, Windows, Android, macOS, and more. You can install Vim with this command using your terminal or download the graphical user interface using the link in the description. Use the terminal or open the GUI to access Vim. It has a steep learning curve, but you will have fun after you learn the basic commands. The best thing about Vim is that you can do anything you want with it. You can write and run Java code, C++, PHP, C, C#, etc. If you do decide to learn Vim, check out this Vim tutorial from Free Code Camps. Visual Studio Code. Here in first place, we have Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. This is the ultimate tool for developers everywhere. It runs on Windows, Linux, macOS, and using its web version, you can run it on any operating system with a modern browser. It has many useful features like syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, code refactoring, snippets, multiple themes, keyboard shortcuts, and you can use extensions to extend its functionality. There are plugins that allow you to write, debug, and run almost any programming language and markup language you want. I would like to make a video on all the useful features of Visual Studio. If that is something that you want to see, then leave a comment down below. And as always, be sure to like the video so more people can see it. Hit the subscribe button to join the Vector Legion. And don't forget to create that bot, as that will help spread my channel around. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.